Again, we're at the Weymouth Furnace Park again in Atlantic County. I'll show you this creek. It's real nice here. It's a good doggy park. I got these canoes and kayaks down here. A lot of people went swimming today. I thought you're not supposed to go swimming in here, but a lot of people went swimming. Weymouth Furnace Park. Got this nice sandbar here. This doggy beach. Nice party dog. Nice clear water. Hey, good dog. Come back to the house, man. Good friend. Mr. Love, Mom's waiting for you back at the car. Good dog. And this is Angelo, and we're at the dog beach at Weymouth Furnace County Park, Atlantic County. And it's a really good park for kayaks and canoes, and a swimming hole for people. A lot of people went in swimming. It's good for dogs to one side here. My man, he's a little wild, so I keep him over here. Angelo Hart, you come back here, man. You come over here. Good dog. Nice man. Nice boy. He's a workman, I know. It's a picnic grove over there, yeah. A lot of people went in swimming there. Come over to the van, Angelo. Mr. Work, stay here. Over here, man. Angelo. It's a working dog. Angelo, stay here. Angelo, come over here, boy. It's a work boy. Get you, man. Get a working dog. Here, boy. That's a man. Stay with me, Angelo. It's a working party dog, you know. It's really cool. Nice big swimming pool. There's a swimming hole right there. Very nice. Put the map on here. Atlantic County Park System. Weymouth Furnace Park. All right. Talk to you later.